Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, HD radio, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, speed control, radio data system, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.